Good morning, guys. Again, we're going to hospital again. It's the 7th of December, and we're going to the city to see occupational therapist again for them.
I just spent the past hour arranging the school timetable. Did you think I just painstakingly laid it out for decoration?
Okay, guys. I see you later. Bye for now. Bye bye. We're in the check room, and I've seen a different um, occupational therapists because the person who I saw last time was in a different area today. I feel really upset because the way they give Dominic discipline, they are wrong. They are wrong, and this is it. They should know better. Should know better. I told them that's wrong.
Not being able to choose names, not a
They're really upset.
Anyway, how was your date?
They're coming again.
What date? You might be hungry.
It's really big. Can't believe it is very wide. I mean, they have measurement of down. I can't understand. It's very wide and big. His feet is only small. I'm so very upset today. We're going now. We're on the train, and it's still raining. And not much people on the train now, so we have more time to sit down here. And very disappointed today. They give Dominic a wrong splint, so we have to go back again in the hospital. So it's not good today. It's not good. Very disappointed. Hello guys. Today Adam had an appointment in the hospital in the city. It's to do with his splint. This is the follow-up appointment today and collecting his splint, and it takes a month to wait for his new splint. This is his old splint. And again, this is not working properly because are very wide, and Dom's feet are going to turn in because of the position of the splint. Now this one, there is a cushion while Dom's feet stand on it, and this is the old splint. So their purpose last month is to have a new splint for Dom to make Dominic's feet better. So now I'm going to show you the new splint that they're giving me today for Dom. There it is. This is one pair of Dominic's splint today. Now, as you can see, compared to the old splint, they only give Dominic a cushion on the middle, not through to the heel of the splint. Nothing there. No cushion on the heel. And this one, they take most of the side, which Dominic's feet will come out, which is no good to stand on, because there is not much of support for Dom to snuggle his feet. So today I am very, very, very upset, and I said to the orthotic that I am not happy with this. Dom and I went there in a very, very severe weather, a storm, a strong rain, and when we arrived in the hospital, we soak. It's like we had a shower because of the rain and very, very strong, just because to collect this splint. But and this is the problem. This is the problem here in the hospital, because they made a mistake. They made a mistake because they don't have much time to coordinate with the factory who's doing this, because they don't have much time and lack of orthotic. And that's what the man said today, that if they give them a bit of time to coordinate to the factory who made it this, there are few people will come back and less money to spend. Whereas now, this costs a lot of money. Costs a lot of money for the NHS to do this. And this one is brand new, and this one is useless for them because they made a mistake. They made a mistake, and this is why I cried in front of the person today, because it's wrong. It's wrong. You see, look, it's wrong. And then there is night splint, which is a different position. This, and again, Dom's feet, it's only tiny. And look what they give us, a very wide. Dom's splint will spread, which they need to be snug, and Dom can't snug this. His feet he won't be snug with this because it's too wide, and again his feet will turn inward, and this is the problem here. This is the problem. Just I take him in and out, and they're supposed to be the professional and expert, but this is it. All these years the Dom's wearing this, 14 years wearing this, and instead of improvement, they become worse. And this is the problem, guys. This is, as you can see, our journey. All the time we go to the city, it's too far to go, and then we end up nothing today. Really, today is nothing. I waste my time, and I'm absent at school. This is what it make me stress, guys, because I'm hoping that, I'm hoping that Dom will improve, because that's what I'm finding him to improve, but it's not improved. Dom is not improving because they're not giving Dom the proper equipment. Not giving Dom a proper equipment. I mean, this one, old, which is not good. This one, not good. Dom had this before, and it's not good because the shape very, very it's only little, they shave more of the side, which Dominic's feet will come out, toes will come out, because there's not much of support there when he wiggle. And I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say, and that's why had enough. Really had enough. I don't know what to say. I'm desperate. I'm desperate to find a way to make Dom better. But I don't know. I really don't know what to say. I just feel something. I feel trapped. I feel trapped because I want to do better for my son, and I don't know what. And the only way they can do it is all these professional doctors and that, but there is no backing. I have to do everything, and that's why I rely to them because they're the one who expert. They've been doing it today. I have to tell them that this is wrong. This is wrong. This is not suitable for them. Not suitable for them. So that's why I said to the man that if I've got a chance, I'll take my son to America. Maybe they are better there than here. And that's why he explained that because they need more orthotic to spend to the patient and listen to what the parents say. But their lack of orthotic, they're rushing and more stress and more job to do and don't have much time for the patient. So please guys, share our journey so that one day I will take my son to America. I just need a support, and because I have no financial to finance our need to take to America, and that's why it's very difficult. Very difficult. Share our journey, guys, and hopefully, fingers crossed that there is person there who listen to us. Please help us to reach this goal for the sake of my son, because today it's, it's a waste of time, and it make me more stressed because I can see our journey today, no outcome. So please guys, share our journey to and spread the word that we need help. Please help us. And thank you everyone to support me, to share our journey, and members, thank you everyone, and the blessing that you gave to my son, the blessing and the support and the members, it's a very big help for our journey, for Dom's goal. And that's the only way to reach Dom's goal, guys. It take a long time, but hopefully there is somebody there, and with your help, guys, please help us. And I will continue find way here. And thank you. Don't leave us, guys. Continue to support us. Thank you again. Thank you. And we will see you again of our next premiere and next journey. Me and Dom and Pixie. And thank you again, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for your help to my son Dominic. Thank you again. Thank you. Bye for now, guys, and thank you very much. And please don't forget, if you haven't shared our journey, please do, and continue to support us. Continue our journey. And you're the only one who can help us to this journey that we've been trying to reach. Thank you again. Thank you. Bye for now. God bless and keep safe, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.